Hello, everybody. This second simple PictoBlox-Python program as computer game was created as part of STEMpedia's online bootcamp, improving educators and international AI, Python, and robotics. And second session, game development in Python, proposed me to create this simple PictoBlox game. This game, as my first program, was created thanks to the motivational success of two events. First event, of course, the bootcamp under the educational team of STEMpedia. And second event, the third Indian lunar exploration mission, Chandrayaan-3. This game uses this simple scenario. First, the spacecraft must reach the moon. Second, the user can move the spacecraft using keys up, down, left, right. And third, the spacecraft can't touch the green line on the spiral trajectory of spacecraft movement to the moon. Of course, to start program of our game, we must create object as sprite, for example, Chandrayaan-3 and object Chandrayaan. This object use this small image as example of landing spacecraft of Chandrayaan-3 mission. And several next steps: prepare placement of this sprite, direction with function set direction 0, and size 50 using function set size. And of course, you must place this sprite using function go to x with this point. Our sprite as spacecraft can save us with this text during 3 seconds. And to balance our game, we must set size with smaller size, for example, 15 points. And during our game, all the operations of user can control within this loop while true. We can get out of this loop only with last command break. Using our step of scenario, we can control movement of spacecraft using 4 keys: up row, down row, left row, and right row. In this case, we must set correct direction: 0, first direction, second, third, and fourth. And in all direction, we can use function move with distance 5 points. If our starcraft touched green color, we can control this event using this function is touching color. We use green color, and of course, color with 3 numbers, red, green, and blue. Second number, of course, use this number. If StarCraft touched red line, green line, in this situation, we must inform about this event to our user. If we remember to mission lunar mission Chandrayaan second, we can remember that this mission crashed on the lunar surface by software bugs. And of course, in this situation, every day, every time, we must remember, we must say our school children, students, that all of them already must test their computer programs. We must, using our StarCraft, to reach to the moon. And to control this event, we use function is touching. Moon is name of sprite. This sprite use this sprite use this picture. We don't use color. Only use event as touching to sprite with this picture. And is result of successful of movement to the moon. I offer to start this simple game. We can use 4Ks, and we can't touch green lines. If we touched, we can message and must repeat our mission. Success. Thank you very much for your attention. And I want to thank the education team of STEMpedia for the excellent organization of this bootcamp.